everybody want blow. Now he make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow.
Move! Sit down if you move.
Esty, my sister.
Esty, come on. What did they do for you?
So happy to see you.
Hey, that way, me. Hey, help me. Why they call lock me inside here? Hey, Eseosa. You better go follow them talk with me. Moyala Yari. Eh? Eseosa, what did I do? Where they call lock me for inside here with you, Nana?
Eseosa, may you still talk? Why you silent? I bet they say na ask get me idea. I be waiting concern get work with this problem where you can't put me. Wetin be this one?
You go better me your tidy this matter. Wait till they drag my leg for waiting I no know.
Not be me bring una come inside this matter. I don't know how to bring una leg come inside this matter. Cause not be me. Eh? Eseosa, wetin they talk? No be you put us on this problem where we dey so. I beg. No go blackmail me oh. No be you. No be una tie my hand thief the money. Oh, you think I not see when break that door? Yeah.
Talk that way they talk. Now you thief the money.
Which money una dey talk? Which money una dey talk? About everybody. Eh, Eseosa, you know say me I want you. Eseosa, I may not tell you before say make you afford me. Eseosa, I take beg to work you. I take beg everything where your mama get for this life. I used to take beg to say make you afford me. Now that they talk now they do, you know. Eseosa, now you can't rope me for inside this thing now. So all this why? All this why? Now thief money. Now you thief. Now tell by now you the shop. Where you can't give me inside, say make I use stay fire house for you, abi? Eseosa, your yansh don't open. Your yansh don't open. Eseosa, come tell them, make them come carry me come over for here now. I beg.
Now you know. As of this time now, from now on, every man for himself.
Shut up your mouth, Eseosa. I want you, but I don't want you. Return these people money. You swear you don't bring these people come now.
See, Eseosa, first of all, waiting I want me to help you do. That's why I beg them. Just tell them, say, make them release me. After today, come up the money, make you avoid me. With everything where you take get, avoid me.
Every other age is where I know, all of them get sense. But a rich author, you know, gets one common sense, very senseless. Not be you bring out people come. Not be you bring them.
These people say, Eseosa, hey, Oga, beg you. Oga, beg you, sir. Oga, beg you. I don't follow them do this thing now. Oga, beg you. Oga, beg. Eseosa, come follow them talk you. Me, I don't follow them and do all this kind of thing. Which kind of nonsense be this now? Come on, agents, now happy.
Okay, I'll call you back.
Mama.
Were you able to get the money?
Mama, we get the money, but some kind bad they miss inside.
Some kind bad miss inside? I don't understand. What happened?
Mama, like 50K they miss inside that money.
Eh? That is unacceptable. Who can Baba now?
Mama, we don't really know, but when we reach there, that main culprit, Eseosa, boys and say they tie him inside room, but you get like 2 guys where they down and for their hand will get the money.
That means the suspect passed Eseosa. That means they did more than one.
Mama, now so it be like say those 2 guys where they down and then be the main culprit.
See, BVA, I don't know how you want to but you need to get to the root of this. Someone has to pay for the missing money. I mean every word I'm saying right now.
Nothing to you, Mama. Trust me. I'll be video talk. You no go talk.
Look, I don't know if you will make I talk again. I will tell you the truth and I go lie for you. I don't know anything. And I don't know anything about any money.
Now your hand the bag they when we enter, no be so.
Bag? I don't want to mix everything up. I know hold bag now. My sharks now you hold the bag. I don't hold anything. Even sharks hold back there too now.
Come, look my eye. No lie, give me. They feel me. See what in my hand. They know the prize.
I beg.
Waiting, I want to make you tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. How that bad they enter your hand.
I did tell you the truth. I will lie for you. I swear. See, in a normal gate man walk, now I come here, come walk. I don't know anything. I just define work. Now I get. I just now also like the. I beg, Baba, I beg. Just move your hand from this gun. I beg.
Yeah. Come, no be you send Eseosa who collect money. Who be your boss?
So boss.
See, waiting I want to make you give me names.
Boss, I beg.
Names, now you know they fight for your mouth. See, they feel me.
No, sir, just carry this gun down. You know, see, that's so devil they use pens. Before you know that you know, wow, it don't happen. That time you say, they say, I die, no. See, I don't get any boss. Now, agents, now even give me this job when I get this Eseosa place. I don't know anything. Now, they tell you, me and normal Benin boy, they do conductor before. I just say, I come for greener pastures. Now, all these things, they go be like this. I beg.
Go. Blessed Sunday joke, abi.
Ah, God. I want to be this God. I swear with my life. I swear, I don't know anything. Ha! Baba God, which kind of problem it is? That's what they do for this Lagos. That's what this Lagos they be. I for just go mad in my binima on the wrong and based on Ring Road and upper Sakpamba Road.
Get up.
Boss, where you want to carry me go home?
I said get up. Move.
Oh, why be saying only me? Okay, where you they carry me? Sorry, I dey go. I don't want to die. Oh, I don't want to die.
You just been you just only you don't want to die. Even me, I don't want to die.
I dey fear this man. Oh, I dey fear them.
Shut up. When I tell you to return their money, return them.
As they don't carry sharks and Osaze go, what will come happen?
I've been here when sharks and Osaze, they talk say bullion van, and you catch them with the money. How that money take enter their hand?
Now wetin we hear?
Hey, abole buruku ni Adi. No dey put we for this matter again. You want to be my own? Me, I don't know anything about this matter now.
You go claim say, nah, Osaze and sharks. With the agents, take the money. They use your name to take rent that house to clear their tracks.
But I don't want to put the matter for the agent and their head. Now me thief the money. Don't be there.
Listen, keep on going. You run you. They are the agent. See, I don't come on my hand for this matter. See, this life for I come. I don't come to die. I come this life. Come to my agent work. Esty, Eseosa. From today, come and pay the money. Life. See, I don't wash my hand. Come on for 12 on a matter. I don't get anything to do.
I bet that was our job. They said they go leave you. You know, follow chop the money. You better make you join hand with us because we go leave you here.
And now you go collect all the blame.
Eseosa, I beg you, Eseosa. Shut up. Oga, I beg, if you help me with one clothes, make I use cover body, go and finish me.
Because you know what better make you die. Eh? Yeah. These people talk saying that you let them find one for Eseosa place. Not true.
Eh? Oga, me, I don't know that this was Papa before.
What's in yours? If you help on find shirts, like I say this code or they affect. Agent! Our agent be this now. Now you help us find the gate man job why they do now. Now you help us do the housemaid job.
Oga, me, I don't find work for anybody. I don't know them before.
Agent, you dey grace. I be you don dey met. This has get work when they do. Not be you give me.
See, I'm not blind now, guys. I never see them for my life.
Now God go punish you. Maybe I go.
I still there.
Okay, don't vex, abeg. This guy just open the life. Why you go the lie? What's they worry you now? Tell them the truth now. You dey lie say you don't know us.
You are not trust you. Say code they catch you and I swear they your body, so it's the happen.
Okay.
They go catch your mouth, Joy.
You the Chris. Now why agent be this for me? I don't go feel like for you. I tell you the truth. Now why agent I ain't give me that work, I ain't give her that work.
Wait. But I be say the money can't take day your own hand. No big gate man work he say he can't do for there. The bag like for your hand you see him. Wait see happen.
Nah, because we be no say na money dey inside the bag.
You be no say na money dey inside the bag. But say una be talk say nothing dey inside the bag now. Now the nice say bag no dey, money no dey. No be you two na dey follow me drag sense. Come, he bless you una say person una dey follow talk na fool abi.
Okay. As it be like this now, I'll tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Because now one lie and then they lead to no hit me, I go like this guy over here. This will not be with matter where they take the play. Now one lie then they lead to another lie. I'll tell you the truth. This man where you see here, now our agent. Now he give us this job what we did do. Then as for the money, we know say the money take the bag. Our plan be say make when we just carry the bag, you understand? Because we hear when Eseosa and Esty they talk. So now me and my partner want us okay, we just carry the bag, no we meow because things rough. But actually we know. Matter take cast.
No, not true with that. Not true you talk.
Not true you talk. This is how they talk. They be like say they fidget happy.
Yes, if to say they no catch us by now before for only.
No, not true.
How they come?
I never go. I beg you. I take your mama head. They beg you. Pity my own mommy. No leave me with all these people. Then go shop me raw.
No,
Oga.
No, if we don't know each other now. I want to chop you.
Oga.
We don't know each other now. She say you don't know us. She.
They get at I bet die well. Which one you dey die slow motion? You no want that ground. That's why they die.
What happened?
No, I don't know. Come on here. I don't know.
Okay.
Unless I will see for a baby father.
You don't catch them.
All of them. But it remain that one where they call that mastermind. I got still touch that one. No man.
Okay.
Come, you don't give them food job.
Eh?
You don't give them food job.
Yes, I dey go there now.
Come, you know say when they do like that for you. All of our prisoners, they feed them well, make them do all right.
Yeah, sure, exactly.
Wait, that's why they fidget like this. What's the happen? You do okay?
I did all right.
I guess on things to tidy.
God. They don't catch me today. Oh. Agent. So the play don't do now. If you die, play. You never reach to wake up.
You know what you go do? I see this thing for film. They call her mouth to mouth. So you go there, you put your mouth there. You put your mouth and lick your tongue there. Don't breathe for inside man, you go come.
But now you watch the film now, now you go know how to
No, now me go tell you
you go tell me when you feel your agent. No be me kill am, agent. I don't know. She's more first.
But Sharks, you know say wetin this guy do now no make sense. This guy don't lie against us like that, just like that.
We just leave am make dey where e dey because if these people come now see say this guy don't die, now more problem for us be that.
I don't talk am say anything wey go connect me and Eseosa for this life I no want. I don't want me that get it cross my path at all.
That is also my cause because I don't know how we take even enter problem when we don't know where it starts.
Meanwhile, I don't know anything. Which time I know about this money here? Now you call it us, now me be the kingpin, now me even the mastermind, and me the which I know. Who know me? How? No be juju be that.
God forbid. God forbid. So, but Osaze, wetin we go do? Wetin we go really do? Because this yeye agent when be our only witness, he don't betray us.
Sharks. Used to say as that money matter sup, say me and you come out. You know, say by now for don't they bulk, for don't they do la vida.
If for that they bow. If we be me police for road to call, wetin we for talk? Wetin we for talk? You know even better say these people cash out because now police we no even get money. She know they to collect lawyer. If for that they bow.
So they talk now, she knows as it is, and these people will waste us.
He better say they waste us. You know, prefer me they waste us for here than to go kiri.
What did even they give you mind? You didn't even they waste us. Like, bah, you don't go.
Bah, you go kiri, you stay there. You know what they feel do you for there. You know see the way you yellow.
This goat, make him just wake up, tell them the truth, then die.
No, they talk about this guy. Avoid them. We don't know whether I don't die, never die. We go there like this when they come. We go just they look. We know they are aware of these agents.
Fear they catch me. I don't lie for you, I tell you. I just they try and man up, but the man in me is gradually leaving me.
The man in you, instead of you to they give me mind.
I did try my best, but again, he will leave now. My voice, everything. Now to begin throw her like it because fear.
Osaze. They know this guy. I don't know why on my side they their body.
Matching balls. Like,
why you know Masha? Why?
Esty, sorry now.
I warn you, I don't warn you.
Esty, you want me, but Esty, I don't suffer for this life. I no go enjoy money wey God give me. How?
God give you this money when you thief. See your mouth. Clean your mouth. God give you this money. Why they talk as if say, now only you be suffer head? Me too, I never suffer.
Esty, me and you will still be friends, abi?
You dey lion dem. They look for flesh. Okoko. Food dey. You see for this place, you go chop belle full. So when you die, you go die belle full.
That one that goes, he all cover his face. Now you might be.
Plus I don't see that face before, but let me know with the person. I be the person.
God will bear these people. Ah! Open, chop. One can want kill Mrs. Money.
You came and still chop. You won't die. Okay, we don't already die. You won't chop.
I don't know. I never chop. Okay, what kill me?
Eseosa.
I'm not to come. Open.
You don't bring water.
Help me water.
Okay.
Water.
You dey hotel. Water.
Come, wait be this one.
No be me, oh.
Waiting the word.
No be me kill am, oh.
Waiting up for you.
no, no touch am. We no know wetin happen to am.
Or you waiting they worry you. You go stand up for your mouth, pull like two for your body. Waiting they walk you. God, waiting happen for here, true. This guy na witness now.
Yes.
This guy na better witness, no be so.
Very important witness. Because as it be like this, so the contracts, when we take get the job, employment contract form, now he dey with them. And only him suppose even prove to us, say we don't know anything about this matter. So yes, I agree with you, now witness.
And two of them maintain saying I made. I've been a help in a day for this house. You na made. You na waiting they call and get man.
Yes. I swear to God, Baba, I beg you. Now the truth that we tell you, so we don't know anything.
Take her.
Oga, see. No, see.
Take her.
Oga, me na who take her na be.
Calm down, no be yours.
Okay.
Come. How this thing go through here?
Okay, take her.
And I still get some explaining to do.
Okay.
I swear on my life, Oga, I swear. We don't know anything. I swear. Take her.
My mind,
take
take off.
They can't take off.
I feel like they won't carry you.
I say never your ladies first.
This one, you will remember ladies first. No, man first. Yourself, your mind is strong. Be man. I don't know why you fear any. And your fellow man, they look you, they shake.
Millionaire with ease, criminal, thief. Now because of you, you don't come meet me for me again. Because of you.
Papilo, I don't miss you long time.
I'm going to kill you for the Chris. Now because of you, now you stay upside down for me. I get my say Papilo long time. You tell what you the I mean, I'm going to punish you, sister. You think my money is slap me the mad?
It's okay. What do you do the big pigs for here? Eseosa, not to talk. Come, follow me.
Go. You see them?
See who?
The girls now, they don't escape.
Which girls? I don't see anybody.
Something they happen for you. See, guys go find them outside there. See, don't keep your eye. Keep your eye. If you see anything, tell me.
It's okay. It's okay. Listen, Eseosa, you not fear escape if I don't help you. Come, follow me.
What's your number?
There's no way out of this, Brenda, and you know it.
I beg now. Lilian, I don't even chop that money. I don't even touch that money. I don't want to get anything to do with you now. I beg.
You wasted Mama P money 4 years ago. You run. Because Mama P expect you to pay back. She not gonna let you go now. You don't know.
I beg now. I beg.
Oh boy. It's good to see you beg for your life.
You talk say make I work for you.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I don't agree. I will work for you. Make I just work out now. I swear you could find me. I swear.
You know I would need an excuse for the matter.
Did I say I don't die?
I would need a body.
No. now. No be your first rodeo. You dey run all these things now.
Where she dey? You know, say na something I waka through.
Be that, Eseosa.
Yes.
That bastard. Now only me wrong. Come on, to. I don't know where that one dey. Oh.
You dey sure?
Wallahi.
So why the way out?
But
Oga, do as I say, they worry.
Beg, you no go regret that. God bless you, be my guy. Beg, calm down, Joe.
Thank you.
Where them dey? Where them dey? Come. Any trace of Eseosa?
No, sir. No, sir.
You say wetin?
No, sir. No, sir.
Come. Then they worry una. Wait. This girl come off una body, none of una sabi wetin dey happen. As una full ground reach like this, I no wan hear anything. As una wan take find, I no wan know. Una come over here.
Yes, sir.
Then they walk you. Na because of you. Idiot. Na me go still kill you. Na me go still kill you. You sure for me? Eh? Na your fault.
I dey sorry na, I go find am.
You go find wetin? You no find am before, na now you wan find am.
She don't go far, I go find her. She don't go far.
Come,
this way around.
make I don clear you. By your own hand, you go take yourself, take explain, give Mama P wetin dey sup. You dey hear me? Everything wey dey sup, you go tell am because na your fault. Come on from my front.
Go find her myself, boss. Go find her. Oh.
Eba wey just carry food everywhere. Something dey work all of now.
See, BV, you can't lose guard. Oh. You don't play defend again. Oh. I'm going to replace you. You don't hear me?
Mama, no worry. So as it be like this, I go tidy things. That Eseosa baby, trust me, we'll go find her. Best one not to show us they be now, that Brenda babe.
I don't want Eseosa. Now Brenda now want. You don't hear me? Now Brenda now want.
Mama, will they calm down now? Now where we put them now in the day now. If not be that idiot where they call Papilo, now he enter there, go free them now.
Oh, so you dey blame me now, Abi? You dey put everything for my head now because I release Papilo, Abi?
Mama, if no say it, not say me I free those guys. Matter for no be like this.
Nice one. Like this now, so you go organize search party. Mount your guard for every corner, every corner, everywhere. Make her see how she want to come up for this estate, you dey hear? And I need some kind of CCTV camera doings too. You dey hear me?
I'll tell you, Mama.
Activate fast!
You won't blow, I won't blow, everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big query. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big query. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere away. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but no lose focus. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make am, then go query. If you dey pass it, then